we are going to learn how to use the if in the Python. Already you have used the if in C++, in Visual Basic, and in the class 7 you have used the if in the Q Basic also. So you know the if, what is the use of the if and why we are using if and what is the function of if, you know that one. Actually, if else, two things are there. It is a decision making statement. Means depending upon the user input or the value of the variable, it will take a decision which part of the program is going to execute it and which part of the program is not going to be executed. Now, suppose I am writing one program here. This is a variable where I am going to take input of age of a person, and depending upon the age it will decide that person will able to give the exercise the voting rights or not. What is the criteria? If the age is equal to or greater than 18, then the person is eligible for vote, and if it is less than 18, then he is not eligible for the voting rights. Fine. So I am writing using the input function. Then I am writing age, double close, two braces are going to be closed. Now why I am using the int? Because input function, whatever it is taking the input, it will be treated as a text. Means whatever it has taken the input, it is a string, it is a number, but the characteristics of that particular thing is string or character. So I am converting that particular thing into the int with the use of the int function. Now what we'll do, I am going to write the if then age none. Up to this one there is a no problem, you know this all the things. Okay. Now the thing has been changed. What I have written, if age greater than equal to 18, after that I have write the colon, put the colon over there. But generally in the C++, in the we have given the brace, okay, and in the Visual Basic also we have not used the colon. Fine. Now after that what we will do, give the enter. See this one. We are going to cursor is indicate me to start it from here. This space, okay. Suppose I write this one, then I will tell print. What I am going to write? Obviously I am going to write eligible. Eligible for vote. Fine. Now one thing is that, now what is this space is called? This is called the indentation. And here if you think about the brown color space, see that one, I am not start the print just below the if. Print has been started little bit inward from the if. Okay. Generally what happens? One line, under that one line, under that line we are going to write that one. Fine. This is called this space is called the indentation, and this is the syntactical thing. Means here the brace is not there, second brace is not there, semicolon is not there, but this indentation you have to use. And wherever the indentation is going to be used over there, indentations are going to be used in if, in for, in while. Means wherever you are using the second brace, in elif means else if, okay. So in the decision making statement and in the loops, these indentations are going to be used. See this one, age I have written, under that only I have written the if. Here there is no need of indentation. Now I think it is clear to you wherever you are going to use the indentation with the if the next line will be indented. Okay. Now what happens? How much space is required? Suppose I am using the ideally over here. If I use the ideally, when I give the cursor enter, just when I put the cursor over here and give the enter, you will see this one, it will take me at that particular place after giving the indentation. Already the indentation has been given and cursor is showing me the right place. Okay, means I can start from here. Means the ideally or the Python software has take care about the indentation. But if you are writing in a notepad, in the notepad also you can write the Python program and save it with the .py extension. There you have to manage it by your own. How much space is required? One tab space. Means if you have written up here, you will give the enter, then cursor will come over here. Now if the cursor is here, now what you have to do? You have to press the tab and it will go to the distance. That is called the indentation, one tab space. Fine. Now we are going to write the else. Now see this one. Here if you give the enter, it will come over here, but the else is going to be written just under the if. Remember this one, this is only one thing which is not which that particular ideally is not able to manage it. Fine. Now what will going to be happen, I am just giving the backspace and I am putting the cursor over, else will be just under the if. I am writing the else, the colon obviously, indentation is fine. I am going to write print, then I am going to write not eligible for vote. Now I have finished it. Now what will going to happen, if I run this program, depending upon the input, the which portion will run. If the age has been given by the user below 18, then this portion is going to be run. If age is equal to or greater than 18, this portion is going to be run over there. This is the work of the if. Now we are going to execute the program. Run the program. It is asking for the age. If I give 19, it is eligible for vote. If I give less than 18, what is going to be happen? I see that one. Suppose I have given 15, not eligible for the vote. I think you have understood this one. Okay, thank you.